In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find location ID in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're inside the platform, you'll usually land on your dashboard or launchpad area. This is the main workspace where you can access different parts of your sub-account. So if your screen looks slightly different, that's okay. What matters is that you are inside the location you want to check. Next, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Gohighlevel keeps its main navigation menu. If you've used the platform before, you've probably seen options here for conversations, calendars, marketing, automation, and other account tools. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the settings area because that's where the location ID is displayed. On the left menu, click Settings. This will open the settings section for the current location you're viewing. It's important to remember that Gohighlevel can contain multiple locations or sub-accounts, so make sure you are in the correct one before copying anything. Otherwise, you may end up using the wrong location ID. Once you're inside settings, look toward the top of the page. This is where you can locate the location ID. In Gohighlevel, this ID is tied to that specific location and is often needed when you're connecting integrations, setting up automations, or working with outside tools that require a unique account reference. When you find the location ID, click on it. This makes it easy to highlight or copy the value you need. If your goal is to paste it somewhere else, take a moment to double check that you copied the full ID without missing any characters. Since these IDs are usually a mix of letters and numbers, even a small mistake can cause an integration or setup to fail. That's all there is to it. Open Gohighlevel, go into the correct location, use the left-hand menu to access settings, and then look at the top of the page to find and click the location ID. It's a quick process, but it's an important one if you need the exact identifier for your account. If you're following along, it can help to keep the destination where you need to paste the ID open in another tab so you can copy and paste it right away. That saves time and reduces the chance of grabbing the wrong information. And that's how to find your location ID in Gohighlevel.